So yun guys, this is the 15th day of my body fitness work at home. So February 24 na yun guys. Yun guys, katatapos ko lang mag-workout at ito yung kinalabasan ng pagja-jumping jack ko ng 15 days guys. Ito na ngayon yung katawan ko guys.